these two writings because I want to go through a sample opinion piece so that you guys really, really know how to do this toolkit, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and read it, and then we're going to go through the Oreo format, okay? Cicadas, the worst creatures ever. If you were looking for the perfect reason to move to Antarctica, I have it. Antarctica is the only continent that has no cicadas. You know, those giant locust bugs, or locusts with bulging eyes that fly into our personal space and scare the bejeebers out of us during July and August. Currently, I am packing my bags and preparing for my essential summer relocation. Would you believe that it is all because of a bug? I know I shouldn't despise a critter as much as I despise this one, but cicadas are the worst creature ever. Get ready to hear why. So that is a great introduction. She just told me, or he told me, what him or her opinion is. The first reason cicadas should be banished from the earth is because of their size. Did you know that cicadas can grow to be 0.75 to 2.25 inches or 2.2 to 5.5 centimeters? This bug is almost the size of a small bird. I am scared of tiny spiders. Forget about bugs that are the size of bats flying around my head all summer. Who needs 2,500 different species of giant bugs inhabiting the earth? I know I don't. Be gone, big bugs. Notice that she said, or he said, the first reason cicadas, so that's the organization piece. It's so easy to get confused if you don't organize your writing to tell the readers exactly what you mean. Paragraph 3. Another reason cicadas should become extinct is because of the racket they produce. Did you know that some cicadas produce calls so loud that they can be heard up to a mile or 1.5 kilometers away? Who wants to hear noisy big buzzing around July and August, the only months we get to sleep in, making so much noise that it keeps us awake? I certainly don't. I want to sleep in and enjoy summer. They need to take after the ladybug and be cute and silent. Paragraph 4. While I can come up with about 600 or 64,000 more reasons to loathe cicadas, one final frustrating factor is that they are terrible flyers. They are harmless to people because they don't bite or sting. They struggle with flying and bump into things. I am a runner, a fast runner, in July and August because I spend most of my runs dodging wayward cicadas. Insects should be effective flyers, not carelessly crashing, flying crickets. Paragraph 5. I know it is only May, but I want to give you plenty of time to plan your escape from our cicada-covered continent. You have 2 solid months to get out of cicada dodge. I wish you loads of luck if you choose to stick around for the summer months. But I am out of here. Sayonara, cicadas. Okay, so she or he did a great job. This is a great example of Oreo. Okay, so the next slide is going to go through the Oreo. Your title is your opinion. Short and sweet. Your first paragraph is all about your opinion. Cicadas are the worst creature ever. Cicadas, the worst creature ever. Okay? Your first, second, your second, third, and fourth paragraph are all reason, evidence, reason, evidence, reason, evidence. So we see her reason. The first reason, she organized it well. Cicadas should be banished from the earth is because of their size. Very clear and easy to understand. Then she gives us evidence. Did you know that cicadas can grow up to 2.2 to 5.5 centimeters? She gave us the evidence. The next reason. Another reason, nice and organized with her intro. Cicadas should become extinct is because of the racket they produce, because they're so loud. Her evidence, would you believe that some cicadas produce calls so loud that they can be heard up to a mile to 1.5 kilometers away? That's a long distance. Her last reason, while I can come up with way more reasons to hate cicadas, one final frustrating factor is that they are terrible flyers. So she goes easy, they're large, they're loud, and they're bad flyers. Okay? 3 reasons. While they're harmless to people, because they don't bite or sting, they struggle with flying and bump into things. So here's her example. Her evidence comes from her own personal experience. She said she's a runner, so when she goes running, she's always getting hit by cicadas all over the place because they're terrible flyers. And then 5th paragraph is just wrapping up her opinion again. I wish you loads of luck if you choose to stick around for the summer months, okay, and cohabitate with the worst creatures ever. But I'm out of here. So she wraps up her conclusion with her opinion again. So we have O-R-E-O. So Oreo. Just remember, opinion, reason, evidence, opinion. But for your reason, evidence, you're going to do 3. Ori-re-re-re-o. Okay? And that is explained in our Oreo song too. It's actually a pretty catchy song. Okay? Oops. So make sure that you guys are looking at the examples. You are going through the video that I made on our students toolkit. I go through every little detail, and then you watch the video, and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, sayonara, cicadas.